Hello dear students and welcome to this online class video. This is the first part of 7th chapter. Can you see the pattern of class 5 subject mathematics? And I am Prakash. Let's start the class. Now let's know today's topic. So today's topic is turns and patterns. Yes. So in this topic we will have some patterns based on turns in half turn, 1/4 turn, 1/3 turn and 1/8 turn. And also we will know some patterns using the degrees 45 degree, 90 degree, etc. Now come to the topic. So here are two friends. You can see their pictures. Isha, this is Isha and this is her friend. So her friend is asking to Isha that Isha, your skirt is beautiful. So Isha is replying, my mother made this pattern. So here you can see downside on the skirt, the beautiful patterns are here. Now her friend is saying, I have seen the same block making a different pattern on a kurta, and that kurta of was her brother's. Now Isha is replying, how was it different? So here first we have to know that what is the pattern on Isha's skirt. So here you can see that the patterns are here in this red box. First is up, then second is down, up, down, up, down. Okay, so up and down pattern is on the skirt of Isha. So now her friend is replying, in your skirt the rule of the pattern is one up, one down. Then this is repeated. Yes, we can see here, we have already discussed about it, that the patterns are first one is up, then second is down, then next is once again up, then second is down. So then it is repeated continuously. But in my brother's kurta, it is once up, then takes 1/4 turn. Okay, here you can see 1/4 turn. Every time the rule is to repeat it with a 1/4 clockwise turn. So clockwise turn, what is clockwise? For example, here is clockwise means this is, you can see this arrow, this is a clockwise pattern and this is just opposite. Okay, this is anti-clockwise pattern. So in clockwise pattern we can see that which type of pattern here we have. So you can see the first picture is on upside, then second is in its 1/4 turn, then third is once again it's in 1/4 turn, means it's downside. Now third is once again in its 1/4, then next is also its 1/4. So her friend was saying correctly that the pattern was really different. Actually the second pattern was based on 1/4 turn. So now you use these rules to make patterns with this block. Also make your own rule. So here is a picture of a flower we can see, and using half turn you can make this pattern. Which type of pattern you can make? Let me draw here, but it is not possible to draw here, but I am just suppose that it is that flower. Okay, it is upside, but in downside how it will be? Yeah, it will be look like this. Okay, so first is up, second is down, then third, in the third you can make it once again upside, then in fourth, yes, you can make it on downside, means its face should be downside. So in half turn you can make this pattern. Okay, now come to the next page, turns and patterns. Okay, so now the main topic is here. Look at this block. Here is the block. We make three different rules to turn it clockwise and see the pattern. So come to the patterns. Rule 1 is based on 1/4 turn. Okay, so let's understand this 1/4 turn. So first picture is, you can see we have a flower and that is closed with a box and its face is just upside. Okay, and now second you can see in the second picture it is in its 1/4 turn clockwise. Now in next picture it is just downside. Okay, by the arrows you will try to understand. Okay, I am showing by the arrows. Now in next picture, yes, in its 1/4 turn, then once again in the fourth turn. Okay, you can see one turn, second turn, third and fourth. In the fourth turn the picture is same, right? So it is a trick to identify 1/4 turn, that if a picture is same in its 1/4 turn, it means we are on 1/4 turn. Remember it. So now come to the second rule. This is based on half turn. Half turn means clockwise it will be just opposite. For example, I am writing here L, so in half turn clockwise, how it will look? It will look like this, okay, like 7. Now next, come to the picture. It is just upside and it is just downside, then up, then down. So up and down pattern is here. Now next rule is based on 3/4 turn. 3/4, yes. So look at the picture. Okay, first picture is upside, then in second picture it is just rotated by in its 3/4 pattern, and the picture is facing to the left side. Now once again, when you will take in its 3/4 turn, so you will see how it will look. It will look means 1 turn, 2 turn, and 1, 2 and 3rd means downside it will look. Clear? Now in the next picture, how it will look? So count. First turn will face to the left side. So in second turn it will look to the upside, and in third turn it will look its right side. So here you can see. Now in the next picture, 3/4 turn, how it will look? So once again, let's calculate it. So in first turn it will look downside, in second turn it will look left side, and in third it will look upside. So here you can see it is facing to the upside. So in the next picture it is similar. Now we have some question for your practice time. So first we have a circle with dividing using maroon and yellow colors. So first is here. Which turn it is, we have to identify. Okay. So first is a circle and with 2 blue small circles, and it is slightly divided. Okay. So in next turn it is just straight. You can see here it is just straight. Clear? And the blue dots means blue circles are in opposite way. So which turn it is? So to identify this, I have to divide the first picture in the equal parts. So let me divide in the parts. This is second, then this is third, and this is fourth. So in 4 lines I have divided, and let me count that how many portion it is divided. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So in 8 equal parts I have divided this. Okay. So you can say that these are 1/8 turn. Remember it. These are 1/8 turn. So all the pictures we have to turn in its 1/8 turn. So first picture was in its 1/8 turn. Now come to second. Second is also in its 1/8 turn. So how it is? A little slant, and you can see the yellow color is on top and the maroon is on down. Now in next picture, once again we have to make a circle. Let me make it. Now in 1/8 turn the line will be horizontally. Okay. Now here will be a blue circle and here will be another blue dot, and the first the upper side will be, we have to fill with yellow color, and downside we have to fill with a maroon color. Okay. Now in the next box, once again we have to take its next turn. So in next turn, how it will look? Yeah, it will look like this. Slantly we have to divide. Okay. And the blue dots will be here and another one will be here. The upper portion will be, we have to fill with yellow color, and downside we have to fill with maroon color. So you can see then in its 4th turn the picture was just opposite to the first. Okay. So in this condition we can say it is 1/8 turn. It means in the 8th turn this picture will look the same as the first picture. Remember it. Now come to the next number B. So here we have 1. Okay, this picture is not in your latest NCERT textbook. There is N, but we will go there after solving this pattern. So here is 1, and it is also in which type of pattern? Let's see. 1 is here. Then second we have a horizontal picture. Okay, so which turn it is? You can see 1/4. Now next it is straight. Now in the next we have to do the same. What? We have to make it horizontally, and the next once again it will come to its original picture. It means 1. It will look like 1. So now here we have no more turns. Okay, actually the first was in its 1/4 turn, but in the next picture it was in its opposite 1/4 turn. Means it was opposite 1/4 turn. Then it was continuously repeated. Now we have the main picture and come to that is N. So let me write here n. Okay, it is write like this in your textbook. Then in this shape it was mentioned in your textbook. Then the next picture is like in its original n, means you can see the relationship between the first and second, that the first picture was just turned in its what, in its we can say half turn, means sorry 1/4 turn, and next we have got the same picture n. Then the next picture we will have z, and at last we will get the same pattern, that is n. Now come to the next. Here we have triangles. Okay, so you can see properly that the first picture, then second, then the third, these are based on 1/3 turn. Okay, how we can see, look at the dots, 3 dots, 4 dots are here. Okay, upside, then slant, then once again slant, then in the next picture it will be once again on upside, 1 2 3 4, and downside is another one. Then in the next, on the right side we will have 4 dots, and the left upside we will have our another dot. Now come to the next pattern. Okay, so see the pattern properly. Then in the next picture we have to draw a circle. Then this is square we have to draw here. Okay, so on the right side we have to draw. Okay, let me try to make a square. So a circle I have made. Now I have to divide equally. Now downside I have to fill with the red color. Okay, downside it will be red and upside will be dark blue. Now in the next picture, how it will look, the square will come to the down side. Okay, and the red one, it will, a little mistake is here. I have to make a square, and how I will divide, I will divide like this, vertically I have to divide. Then what will happen, the red color will be on the left side and the dark blue will be on its right side. Now come to the next pattern. Here you can see that this picture is not in your textbook, but let's solve this. First is this type of shape, then second, then third, then fourth. You can see these are like looking like 1/8 turn. Okay, now at the last picture, how it will look, it will look like this, downside it will face, means our first picture is correct. Now come to the your textbook picture. There is F, so let me draw here F. Then in the second box it is shown like this. In the third it is facing to the downside, and in the fourth it is like looking like this. So these are 1/8 turn, means 45 degrees these are showing. Now in the next picture it will look like this. Okay, means the last picture is just opposite, means half turn of F, the first picture. Now come to the next 2 pictures using the same rule, means 1/8 turn, or you can say 45 degree bend. What we have to do, we have to make some patterns using these pictures, but we will not take these pictures, we will take L. Okay, because in your textbook there is L. Then second is like this. So we have to make patterns until getting the first picture. So let's start to make it. So in the next picture it will look like this. Okay, then next it will look like this. We are going to turn, means we are going to use 1/8 turn. Okay, now in the next picture it will looking like 7. Then next it will look like this. Then it will facing to the upside. Then next it will look like this, and at last it will look like the same, means L shape. Now here we have the second one, means B picture, C. Okay, it is 3. So how it will look, actually in your textbook we have P, so let's solve P first. Then in second P it will look like this. Then in third P it will show downside. Then in the next P, how it will look like this. Then in next it will just opposite. Then another next, like this it will look. Then another one will be like this. Then next, and in the last picture, means 8th, it will look like same. Now come to the another one, that is 3. So how it will look? So let me solve these 3. So now these 3 will face to the upside, then okay, in another 1/8 turn it will look like this, then just opposite 3, then a little slant to the downside, facing downside, then next facing to the downside, exactly facing to the downside, then the next it will look like this, and at last exactly it will look like 3 straight. So in this way we have understand about the turns and patterns. So all the patterns were based on half turn, 1/4 turn, 3/4 turn, 1/3 turn and 1/8 turn. I hope that you have very well understand this all. So see you all in the next video. Till then, stay at home, be healthy, be safe. Jai Hind.